Imagine a free tool that top currency traders check daily, a tool that signals market shifts before they happen. It's not a secret software or a paid subscription. It's Forex Factory, a central hub for millions of traders worldwide. Forex Factory is your command center, offering reliable data and community insights to help you navigate the fast-paced Forex market. Just as pilots check the weather before flying, smart traders check Forex Factory's economic forecast before trading. Let's unlock how this platform can give you a real edge. Forex Factory is a specialized news and information site built specifically for currency traders who want to stay ahead in the fast-paced world of Forex. It's not just another financial website, it's a dedicated hub designed to meet the unique needs of Forex traders, whether you're just starting out or have years of experience in the markets. Unlike broad financial news outlets that cover everything from stocks to commodities, Forex Factory is laser-focused on Forex. It delivers real-time economic data, breaking news, and in-depth analysis tailored exclusively for currency trading. This means you get the information you need exactly when you need it, without any distractions. Its economic calendar is legendary among traders, providing up-to-the-minute updates on global economic events that can move the markets. But Forex Factory is much more than just a calendar. The site also features vibrant, active forums where traders from around the world share strategies, insights, and real-time trade ideas. You'll also find live charts, sentiment indicators, and a suite of powerful tools to help you track and improve your trading performance. The clean, ad-free design of Forex Factory makes it incredibly easy to navigate. You can quickly locate the information that matters most to you without being bombarded by pop-ups or irrelevant ads. This streamlined experience helps you stay focused on your trading decisions. Forex Factory sources its data directly from official channels and trusted institutions, ensuring that the information you see is both accurate and delivered at lightning speed. This reliability is crucial when every second counts in the Forex market. Whether you're a complete beginner learning the ropes or a seasoned professional managing large trades, Forex Factory serves as your daily headquarters for all market-moving information. It's a community and a resource rolled into one. If you're serious about trading currencies and want to make informed decisions, Forex Factory is an essential tool you simply can't afford to overlook. It's the go-to platform for anyone committed to success in the Forex market. The economic calendar is Forex Factory's core feature, a vital tool for traders worldwide. It provides a comprehensive overview of upcoming economic events that can impact the financial market significantly. Start by setting your local time zone. This step is crucial for catching events as they happen in real time. Missing an event because of a time zone mismatch can lead to missed opportunities or unexpected market movements. Use the filter to focus on high-impact events and the currencies you trade. This allows you to streamline the information, ensuring you only see what matters most to your trading strategy. Key columns include Media, cursor highlighting currency column on economic calendar, close-up of economic calendar with currency codes visible. Currency, which is affected. Knowing which currency is impacted helps in making informed trading decisions. Impact, color-coded for importance. These colors quickly convey the potential significance of an event, helping you prioritize your focus. Event, what's being released. Understanding the nature of the event is crucial for anticipating market reactions. And the trio, previous, forecast, actual. These columns provide a snapshot of expectations versus reality, essential for gauging market sentiment. The market reacts not just to the news, but to surprises, when actual differs from forecast. This difference can lead to rapid market movements. Big beats or misses create volatility and trading opportunities. Such moments are when traders can capitalize on market inefficiencies. Mastering this calendar means you're trading with the pros, not against them. It's about being prepared and informed, aligning your strategies with market expectations. This is the foundation of news trading. By understanding and utilizing the economic calendar effectively, you lay the groundwork for successful trading strategies. Let's see this in action with the US Non-Farm Payrolls, NFP report. NFP is released monthly and can move the entire Forex market. Suppose the forecast is 200,000 jobs. but the actual comes in at 275,000. A huge beat. The dollar surges as traders anticipate a stronger economy and possible rate hikes. If the number disappoints, the dollar drops sharply. The key is the gap between actual and forecast. This is where pros find high probability trades. By understanding this dynamic, you can anticipate market moves like a professional. That's the power of using Forex Factory's calendar. Beyond the calendar, Forex Factory offers powerful tools. The forums are packed with strategies, broker reviews, and trading psychology tips. The Market tab shows live charts, top movers, and a sentiment indicator revealing crowd positioning. The Trade Explorer links your account for in-depth performance analysis, like having a free trading coach. The News tab delivers real-time, market-moving headlines. Use these features together for a complete trading dashboard. Forex Factory isn't just a calendar, it's your all-in-one trading platform. Even great tools can be misused. Don't chase news spikes. By the time you react, the big players are already out. Avoid overtrading by filtering for only the most relevant events, but don't ignore the broader context. Forums are for ideas, not blind copying. Always do your own analysis. Misreading data is risky. Context matters more than the headline number. Balance, critical thinking, and self-discipline are key. Use Forex Factory as a guide, not a crutch. Avoid these pitfalls to trade smarter. Ready to take your trading to the next level? Here's your detailed 3-step action plan for smarter, more consistent trading success, designed to help you stay ahead of the markets and make better decisions every day. Step 1. Make checking the Forex Factory calendar a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Start each morning by setting your time zone, filtering for the specific currencies you trade, and carefully noting all the key economic events that could impact your positions. This simple habit keeps you informed and prepared, so you're never caught off guard by sudden market moves. Step 2. Always plan your response to news events before they happen. Don't wait for the headlines to hit. Decide in advance how you'll react to different scenarios. Will you stay out of the market, tighten your stops, or look for breakout opportunities? Write down your strategy and commit to following it, no matter what emotions arise in the moment. Step 3. Take full advantage of all the tools Forex Factory offers. Dive into the forums to learn from experienced traders. Check the market sentiment indicators to gauge crowd psychology, and use the Trade Explorer to review your own trades in detail. These resources can help you spot patterns, avoid common mistakes, and continuously improve your trading edge. Make it a habit to review your performance at the end of each week. Analyze your trading journal, compare your results, and highlight both your strengths and areas for improvement. This reflection is key to long-term growth and consistency. Remember, Forex Factory is a powerful platform that truly levels the playing field for traders everywhere, whether you're trading from home, a cafe, or anywhere in the world. All this information is completely free and incredibly powerful, but only if you take the initiative to use it consistently and wisely. So take action today. Set up your personalized calendar, join the vibrant community, and start building the healthy trading habits that separate successful traders from the rest. The edge is truly yours, if you're willing to put in the effort and use these tools to your advantage. Every small step you take now adds up to big results over time. Stick with your plan, keep learning, and your future trading self will thank you for the discipline